Okay. Just a moment. Let me pull this. Hey. So I'm running this beautiful, it's reversible. You can wear it on the inside or the outside, starting at 8. You can join in if you are on YouTube, on TikTok, come and join in on What's Not. Another beautiful one. They are all satin. This is black with a cream inside. Okay. Let me see another one. And another one. Oh, wow. There are a couple here. Okay, so this is coming up. This is selling now. Okay, so this one has the detached straps, bonnet and strap, all starting at 8. Yes. And the purple one, beautiful purple. Then maroon with pink inside. Okay. Let me see if there is any more here. Okay. Oh, one more. One more. Okay. So these ones are a bit on the higher level, but the prices I'm giving here is like half the prices on the website and on Etsy. Yeah. Okay. Just a moment, I'll run them shortly.